Hi, Simply Sarah, Made Easy here. I want to show you guys something. So this is Midjourney. Um, this is an AI generator that I use. I've been using it for some time now. I mean, not a super long time, but for a while. And it's really neat. So I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I've made. If you guys want to see how it's made, how to use this, just comment yes below and I'll make a video. If there's enough interest, I'll make another quick video on how to use it. It's incredibly simple. So this is some of the stuff that I've made. I know it's kind of silly, right? But it's fun. It's really fun. So stuff like this seems kind of silly, but when you're in the design industry, um, there's times when you want to like even like if you're a YouTuber or whatever, and you're trying to make a video, and you want to show something on there, like say somebody getting married or something like that. You can't just go online and grab somebody's image and use it, right? So this is a nice thing where you can now go in and give prompts and get your own image that you can now use freely. I'll give you a perfect example of that. A couple years back, these Santa licenses came out, and all the designers wanted to make these Santa licenses, but the challenge with it was getting a good image for the license picture, for the Santa picture, an actual good image of somebody in a Santa outfit that looked not like cartoonish, but that looked like an actual person, to be able to make good ones of these that in turn, crafters would buy, that would sell. So that was the big challenge with it, is that nobody could find that image. Now, in today's AI art world, it's as simple as putting in a prompt to get that. So that's neat. I just wanted to explain to you what something like this would be about. I was probably making a YouTube video and needed it. But so you can see how amazing these images are. And so this is just some stuff that I've done. So neat, right? How pretty is that? Really, really, really a lot of fun. So yeah, so like I said, I mean, if you're interested, if you want me to show you how to do this, just comment yes, like the video that, that'll show me how much interest there is in it. And if there's enough interest, I'll make a video on how to do it. It's super duper easy. Look at these. How pretty are these, right? So, um, that's all the ones that I have saved. So I've made quite a few of them, but those are the ones that I've actually had enough interest in that I've upscaled, that I've looked at on a larger format. I think that's the ones that Midjourney saves to your account. But anyways, like I said, if you're interested, if you want to see how this is done, just go ahead and like the video, comment yes, and as soon as there's enough interest, I'll get a video made.